Hello my dear students. Last class we have discussed about chemical formula. What is mean by chemical formula? The method of indicating the number of atoms in a molecule is called, using symbol is called chemical formula, and we find out the total number of atoms present in sulfuric acid molecule. Okay, total number of atoms present in sulfuric acid molecule. Next question is, find out the total number of molecules present in carbon dioxide. Find out the total number of molecules present in carbon dioxide. This is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide, and find out the total number of atoms present in carbon dioxide. Okay, first you find out the total number of carbon atom. Okay, find out the total number of carbon atom. Here left side indicate there is no number, which means that there is a presence of 1, and the number of carbon atom equal to 1. Number of carbon atom equal to 1. Then find out the number of oxygen atom. The number of oxygen atom equal to, here there is a presence of 1, then multiply this 1 into 2, we get number 2. Okay. Then find out the total number of atoms present in carbon dioxide molecule. Total number equal to 3. Equal to 3. Next question is, find out the total number of atoms present in sugar. Two sugar molecule. The chemical formula is C12H22O11. Okay. Then find out the total number of atoms present in this sugar molecule. Okay. First find out the total number of carbon atom. Total number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom equal to 2 into 12. 2 into 12 equal to 24. Then find out the total number of hydrogen atom. Total number of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom equal to 2 into 22. 2 into 22 equal to 44. Then find out the number of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom equal to 2 into 11. 2 into 11 equal to 22. Then find out the total number. Equal to 90. Equal to 90. Next question is, find out the total number of 5H2O. 5H2O. First find out the total number of hydrogen atom. Find out the total number of hydrogen atom. equal to 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10. Then find out the total number of oxygen atom. Here there is no number, that indicate there is a presence of 1. Then 5 into 1. There is a presence of 1 here. Then 5 into 1 equal to 5. Then total number is total number of atoms equal to 15. Total number of atoms equal to 15. Next question, 7NH3. Next is 7NH3, 7 ammonia molecule. 7 ammonia molecule. First find out the number of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom equal to 7 into 1. 7 into 1. 7 into 1 equal to 7. Then number of hydrogen atom equal to 7 into 3. 7 into 3 equal to 21. Total number of atom is total number of atom equal to 28. Total number of atoms equal to 28. Next is ZnCl2, zinc chloride. First find out the number of atoms in zinc. Number of atoms in zinc. Number of zinc atoms. Zinc atom. The symbol of zinc is Zn equal to 1 into 1, 1. Then number of chlorine atom equal to 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 2. Total number equal to 3. Total number equal to 3. Next topic is you should write these question answer in your notebook. The next topic is balanced chemical equations or chemical equations. Chemical equations. You know that zinc and hydrochloric acid react to form zinc chloride and hydrogen. You have studied in earlier classes. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid and form zinc chloride and hydrogen. Okay. Then can you tell me the symbol of zinc? Can you tell me the symbol of zinc? Okay. The symbol of zinc is Zn. Can you tell me the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? Can you tell me the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? Okay. Chemical formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Okay. Then write the chemical equation. Okay. Zinc react with the hydrochloric acid and form zinc chloride react with the hydrochloric acid and form zinc chloride and hydrogen. Here zinc and hydrochloric acid is known as reactants. Here zinc and hydrochloric acid is known as reactants. Can you tell me what are reactants? What are reactants? Okay, the substances that taking part in chemical reactions are known as reactants. Here zinc and hydrochloric acid is known as reactants. Then the substances formed after the chemical reactions are known as product. Here zinc chloride and hydrogen are products. The substances formed after the chemical reactions are known as product. First, what is meant by reactants? The substances taking part in the chemical reactions are known as reactants, and the substances formed after the chemical reactions are known as product. Okay. Here zinc and hydrochloric acid are reactant and zinc chloride and hydrogen are product. Next, you can see that we can write the chemical equation or chemical reaction using chemical equation by using symbols and chemical formula. We can rewrite let us rewrite this reaction using symbols and chemical formula. We can rewrite the equation using symbols and chemical formula. First, the symbol of zinc is Zn. Zn react with hydrochloric acid. The chemical formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl and form zinc chloride and hydrogen. Here Zn and HCl are reactant and ZnCl2 and H2 are the product. And look here, is the number of atoms on reactant and product side are equal? First consider zinc. In reactant side number of zinc atom is 1 and in product side number of zinc atom 1. Then consider hydrogen. Number of hydrogen atom in reactant side there is 1 hydrogen and in product side the number of hydrogen atom are 2. Okay. Then consider chlorine. Here reactant side number of chlorine atom is 1. In product side number is 2. Then we should write equal number or the identical atoms should be equal in reactant and product side. The identical atom should be equal. Number of atoms on identical atoms are equal on reactant and product side. Reactant and product side. Then we can rewrite the equation. First, number of zinc atom on reactant and product side are equal. Then consider hydrogen. Number is 2. Here is 2. We can change this number by putting 2 in left side, 2 HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Then look here, number of zinc atom is on reactant and product side are 1. Then hydrogen, number of hydrogen atom equal to 2 in reactant side, and here also number of hydrogen atom 2. Then consider chlorine, here chlorine atom 2 and product side also chlorine become O2. Then this type of equation, the number of identical atoms on reactant and product side are equal. This type of equation is balanced chemical equations. This type of equation is known as balanced chemical equations. Look here, first one, reactants. The substances taking part in a chemical reactions are called reactants. Then product. The substances formed as a result of the reaction are called products. The chemical reactions can be represented as equations containing symbols and chemical formulae of reactants and products. Then consider the chemical equation Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Then number of atoms on both sides of the arrow has been tabulated here. First zinc, in reactant side number of zinc atom is 1, product side also 1. Then consider hydrogen, number of atom in reactant side 1 and product side 2. Then consider chlorine, reactant side number of atoms 1 and product side 2. So we can rewrite this equation as Zn plus 2 HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. And first to consider zinc atom, and number of atoms on reactant and product side are 1. Then consider hydrogen, reactant side number become 2 and also product side 2. Then chlorine number 2, reactant side number of atom 2 and product side number 2. This type of equation is known as balanced chemical equation. Then when a chemical equation is written in the number of atoms of same kind, on the sides of reactant and that of product should be equal. This type of equation is known as balanced chemical equation. Okay. Then next, here is a question for you. First one, C plus O2 gives CO2. C plus O2 gives CO2. Find out the reactants and product in this equation. Find out the reactant and product. First, C plus and O2, carbon and oxygen are the reactant. Carbon and oxygen are the reactant and CO2 is the product. Okay. C and O2, carbon and oxygen are the reactants. And CO2, carbon dioxide is the product. Next question, H2 plus Cl2 gives 2 HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2 HCl. First find out the reactants. Hydrogen and chlorine are the reactants. Hydrogen and H2 and Cl2 are the reactants. Next, hydrogen chloride, HCl. HCl is the product. Next question is H2 plus O2 gives H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Here hydrogen and oxygen are the reactants. Hydrogen and oxygen are the reactants. And water is the H2O. Water is the product. Next question is balance the chemical equation. Next is balance the chemical equation. First one, Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. What is meant by balancing? Okay, number of atoms on reactant side and product side, identical atoms should be equal. First consider magnesium. Number of atom of magnesium number is in reactant side 1 and product side also 1. Magnesium 1. Then consider oxygen. Here number of oxygen atom in reactant side is 2. Then product side 1. You should change this equation. Number of oxygen atom should be equal on reactant and product side. Then put 2 here. The number of oxygen atom in reactant side is 2 and product side also 2. And consider magnesium. Here magnesium in product side magnesium number change into 2. So in reactant side also magnesium will become 2. So we can write here 2. This is the balanced chemical equation of magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Next question is nitrogen. Nitrogen react with hydrogen. Hydrogen to form ammonia. Nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia. Then here nitrogen, number of nitrogen is number 2, here number 1, then change into number 2. Put here value 2. Then number of nitrogen atom are equal on reactant side and product side. Then consider hydrogen. Here number is 2 and this side number is 6. 2 into 3, 6. Hydrogen atom 2 into 3, 6. So also in this side, reactant side, hydrogen atom should be 6. So write 3 here. This is the balanced chemical equation of nitrogen and hydrogen combined to form NH3, ammonia. Next one is hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. H2O plus O2. Okay, which are the reactant? Okay, H2O2. H2O2 is the reactant and product. H2O and oxygen are the product. H2O2 reactant and H2O plus oxygen are the product. Okay, then balance this chemical equation. Is this equation is balanced? No, should balance this chemical equation. Okay, O2. Consider hydrogen. Here reactant side number of hydrogen 2 and product side also 2. Then consider oxygen. Reactant side number 2 and product side number 1 plus 2, 3. Oxygen atom, here there is a presence of 1 oxygen and here 2 oxygen. Total number is 1 plus 2, 3. So, write here 2 and here. So, this sides also will become equal and total number is 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4 and oxygen is 2 into 2, 4, 2 plus O2, 4. Okay, this is the balanced chemical equation of H2O2 gives water H2O plus O2, H2O plus O2. Okay, next here is some questions for you in your textbook, page number 60. First question. First question, classify the following sentence into elements and compounds. Classify the following sentence into elements and compound. First one, ammonia. Elements and compounds. First one, ammonia. Ammonia is a compound. Ammonia next, sugar. Next one is sugar. Sugar also compound. Next one, nitrogen. Nitrogen is a element. Next one, mercury. Mercury also a element. Next one, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a compound. Next one, water. Water also compound. Next one, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Next one, sodium. And last one, carbon. You should write this question answer in your notebook. Okay, first one, classify the following into elements and compounds. This is the answer. Second question. Second one, analyze the chemical equation given for the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen to give ammonia. To give ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 gives N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. First question, what are the reactant and product in this equation? What are the reactants and product here? Nitrogen and hydrogen are the reactants. Nitrogen and hydrogen are the reactant, and NH3 ammonia is the product. Ammonia is the product. Next question. Find the total number of molecules and atoms of reactant. Find the total number of molecules, atoms and molecules of reactant. Okay, first find out the total number of atoms. Here the number of hydrogen atom, nitrogen equal to 2, then hydrogen, total number of hydrogen atom 3 into 2, 6. Total number of atoms of in reactant side are equal to reactant side equal to 2 plus 6, 8. Then next question C, question number C. Find the total number of molecules and atoms of product. Find the total number of atoms and molecules of product. Okay, here the total number of molecule is 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4, and here the total number of atoms is 2 into, consider nitrogen, 2 into 1, 2 plus hydrogen, 2 into 3, 6. Total number product equal to 8. Here this is a balanced chemical equation. So number of atoms on reactant and product side are equal, but in the case of molecule, here number of molecules equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and this side molecule is equal to 2. Okay. Next one, what is the relation between number of atoms of reactant side and product? Number of atoms are equal. Number of atoms are equal. Then next one is N is the symbol of nitrogen. N is the symbol of nitrogen. Question, what do N2, 2N and 2N2 indicate? N2 means 1 molecule and 2 nitrogen atom, and 2N means 2 molecule and 2 nitrogen atom, and 2N2 means 2 molecule and 4 nitrogen atom. Okay. Here is a question for you 4 and 5. You should write in your notebook. Okay. Now this is the time to wind up my class. Okay. Thank you.